From the sands of Papakanui and Muriwai in the west, to the waters of Upper Waitemata in the east, to the sons and daughters of Haranui, Lewiti, Kakanui, Araparera, and Puatahi Marae, the descendants of Ngāti Whātua, Te Tāu, Ngāti Rongo, Ngāti Hine, nau mai, haere mai koutou. Whaia te kotahitanga o Ngāti Whātua o Kaipara.
Nau mai hara mai e te iwi ki tēnei kaupapa o I've Got a Take. Do you have a take? Maybe you have a take with environment, ara te tai ao. Maybe your take was with your whenua, with whenua, tō whenua. Maybe you have a take with wai. Maybe you're feeling stressed, a little bit isolated because of this COVID situation that we have been in and needing some awhi. Well, we'd really like to know what your take is. As kaitiaki and as our responsibility to te aki whakapapa, we really like to know what your take is and how we might be able to help you with your take in order to protect our people and to protect our taonga. Ara, simply go to the Ngā Maunga Whakahii Facebook page and hit the link, I've Got a Take, and leave us a brief description of what your take is and what kind of awhi might you be requiring. So come on Kaipara, ke kotahi ai tātai.